Hey, Torin. Move. You want some peps? You want some Dr. Pepper? Huh? Hi. So I found out there was a Mario toy in the latest McDonald's meal, so I wanted to take a look. Are you for real? You don't even like Dr. Pepper. Okay. I haven't had a Happy Meal since I was a kid. Fries and a hamburger, of course. And this is my Mario. Jumping Mario is the name on the thing, and it looks like he pops up kind of like a Jack in the Box kind of thing. Don't open packages like that if you can. I wish I had gotten Toad, but this guy's alright. Here's to you, Mario.